Hi, I'm Catherine Mortimer, and welcome to 278 St Germain Avenue in Bedford Park. This is one of Lawrence Park's greatest communities. This thoughtfully designed, beautiful custom home has soaring ceilings, 4 levels for beautiful modern living, and it sits on a very rare 150-foot deep lot. Come step inside and let me show you around. The wow factor is undeniable. Between the ceiling height and the natural light on the main floor, you are bound to love this home. We've got elegant entertaining spaces that flow seamlessly together, chef's kitchen, and 4 contemporary living spaces, perfect for the modern family, including a 3rd floor primary retreat.